Hi there lovely people, hope you are doing well and having an awesome day ahead. It's me Rudreswar back again with another new video of Transit Pixels, and in today's video I'm gonna help you with something that you might have faced at least once in your life till date, and you may have searched the solution of it on Google or YouTube probably. I mean, it's something that every photos of user who downloads and use images from the internet might have faced this issue at least once in his life. So the problem is that after downloading an image from Google or any other website, just after inputting it to Photoshop, you may notice that index is written over here instead of background or the layer name, and you can't also unlock this layer to edit it, and all these options like create another layer, group, effects, masking, all these options are grayed out. It may bother and irritate you a lot while working with this photo, and if you are not aware of this thing. So let's get started with the video. In this case, you just have to go to the image mode and you have to choose RGB color mode, and boom, now you're good to go. It was this much simple to do, but a lot of people might not aware of these things, so that's the reason why I made this video. By the way, this logo is of TRAI, which is the abbreviation for Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, and this logo has white color in its background, and if you want to remove it easily without any this kind of manual selection methods, then you should subscribe to our channel and you will get that video very soon, and hit like if this video helped you. See you in the next one.